Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to add work location. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the home screen, let's open the navigation app right here from the left side of the screen. Now you can use the navigation, and here you can also find the settings. The settings are located right here at the top of the screen. Let's tap here settings. From the list of settings, you can select one of the following sections. Let's select the fourth, the edit user info right here. From edit user info, you can choose here add work location. As you can see, in my case, a work location has not been saved, so I can set it right now by tapping yes. And now I can choose the work by using, for example, the street address, point of interest by map, or by, for example, destination by Google. In my case, it's the most useful one. And let's enter the address. So let me, for example, enter this street. All right, for example, this one. And let's say that I would like to save it as my work location. So let me tap OK. The work location has been saved. Now I can go back. And as you can see right now, if I tap work location again, I can now delete it, of course, or tap edit. If I tap edit, I can choose here the following features. I can show it on the map. I can change the icon. Those are icons that you can use. I can change the sound. I can change the directions, I can change the distance. Basically, I can use some of the following features. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.